Hello kids, our moms are very special for us. They give us life, they do a lot of work for us. So they are very special for us. So for our special mom, we have a special activity, smiley Mother's Day card, which say, love you mom, happy Mother's Day mom. So just, are you ready for this activity children? Let's begin with this. We are required for A4 size sheet, one CD, one red color strip, or this is optional. You can color also your strip as with a red color. We required for some black or red marker, glue, scissors. So first of all, take your sheet and just fold it half like this. Place your CD, take your marker and just mark like this, and now just cut this out. So we got these two circles. Now what we will do, we will fold them half like this. Just keep this aside. Now what we have to do children, we just have to cut this circle. You can just mark a little like this. I'm just folding it. So see, your half will be here, so it has to be little below the half, somewhere here. Half is here, below the half you just have to give a cut like this. You don't need to cut this whole thing out, you just have to leave a little. Now fold this corner and just hold it and just fold it like this, upside, crease it nicely. Hold this corner and just fold this also, let it be inside the circle. Okay, it should not go out the circle this way, it has to be inside only. So this way you just have to fold. So from both the side I will fold this here and here too. So the special thing is, now we will open it. So children, see, our folding is this side in. So what we have to do, this, can you see these lines? These lines has to be, the fold has to be outside. And can you see this triangle? Above this triangle, whatever is remaining, that we will fold outside. So this is outside, this is inside. So same with this, this is in, then this out. This in and this has to be out. Like this. So fold like this. This also, keep this in and this way. Fine. Now take the other piece, just keep it here, this way, and then you have to mark this with a pencil. Take a pencil and just mark over here. Keep this side now. See, the lines has to be meet each other this way. Okay, so we'll get this design now. So we have to write our message over here, whatever you like to write, love you mom, or happy Mother's Day mom. So something like this. You can decorate it, decorate this with the colors, or just like I'll just do this with the red color on the top of it. so that it will, you can, ठीक है, okay. You can use glitter pen also, glitter colors also for this activity. So just see, we are going to stick this way. So when we open the mouth, this will look like this. So we have to stick it here. Before that, we are going to make the heart eyes and the lips for this. For making the lips, what you will do, children, we have to just keep this, actually this triangle, and just we have to trace this out from here. So I'll just cut a triangle from this. And just check, fold from the middle. We need to place it here like this. Okay, so it's covering. It is fine, fine, children. We need 2 more hearts, so you can draw, you can fold it double, and then you can draw 2 hearts in this. Okay, so at a time, if you want 2 hearts, so what you need to do is you just need to draw this shape. From the top side, it has to be a little deeper, and then it has to go this way. We'll open it. See, you will get 2 hearts. Okay, here also you can mark with the pencil, so that you can, will color this black. You can draw a triangle, or you can take black paper too for this. So the whole portion I'm coloring with a black marker. You can take any color. So after coloring it black, now we will paste this here, okay, and the eyes here on the top. So take your glue now and just apply here on the heart shape. Yes. Okay, apply glue here on this. Stick this also. Now we'll apply glue here on this half. Hold this, hold it here. And just stick it like this. The other half. Apply glue nicely here. Stick it here. And your beautiful card for your mom is ready. Love you, mom. Just express your gratitude towards your mom by making this beautiful card. Thank you.